Somebody shout power. My name is John Seller. Thank you for tuning in into this Ask session today. And I know definitely your life will change. Now I'm going to be talking to us about how to permanently eliminate fear and scarcity in your life forever. How to permanently eliminate fear and scarcity in your life forever. Now, can I tell you something? Your mind is susceptible to suggestions. Your mind is open to suggestions. The kind of suggestion your mind receives determine how your mind will flow. If your mind is always open to negative suggestions, it will definitely vibrate and vibrate and vibrate and pour it into your subconscious part of your body. And when it goes there, everything you do, you will be running in scarcity. Now, let me tell you something. Innocently, when you were coming up, you didn't know. When I say this, I always say you didn't know when you were coming up as a child. You didn't know that this is what was happening to you. What was that thing? What was happening to you when you were a child? When you were a child, you experienced harshness and scarcity. Your parents didn't have money. You people were always looking for food to eat. You remember the time when you went to meet your father and he said money doesn't grow on trees and all that. So when you went through all that, that was one of the basic things you discovered. When they told you that money doesn't grow on trees and you felt like, well, that's true. It was a suggestion, but you were coming up and you didn't know about it. So you grew up with this, you saw scarcity everywhere. But what was entering inside your mind was a deep thing that you didn't know. It was changing your paradigm. It was changing your paradigm. So now you grew up, you are now an adult, still experiencing what you were experiencing when you were a child. But you now have to break that today. Number one, in order for you to eliminate fear and scarcity, number one, destroy all negative suggestions. All negative suggestions. Let's take all this to be the antenna. This is your antenna of suggestions. People are saying that the world is crumbling. What you see with your eyes, what you taste with your mouth, what you feel. These are the external suggestions that you receive. For example, you watched and saw something that is negative. It entered through your eye and entered through your mind and entered through your subconscious part. So you must eliminate every negative suggestions that is coming from the external world. You must eliminate it. Find a way to eliminate it totally. Number two, you must start to impress your subconscious mind with your desired state. Your subconscious mind works with states. It works with feelings. It doesn't work with just affirmations. So you must start now to impress your subconscious mind with your desired state. How would you feel when you achieve having ₦1 million? How would you feel when you get the spouse of your dreams? How would you feel if you have your dream house, your vacations? How would you start feeling? If you know how you start feeling, then start impressing that feelings into your subconscious mind right now. It helps to eliminate all those negative loops that you had when you were coming up. I hope this video helps you very much. Thank you.